Lamar. She's in Stockton with what police are saying about this bizarre attack.
A Halloween outing turned truly terrifying in this upscale neighborhood.
It's a trend spooking the nation. Creepy sightings. Police and Homeland Security are investigating scary Instagram posts in Philadelphia. The unusual reports started surfacing back in August. Since then, sightings keep increasing.
Nobody knows how to defend against it because we don't know if it's a prank or if they're really trying to harm people.
Yeah, cuzzo. Nah, I understand. I feel you. Hey, anytime, cuz. Anytime. Just call me. Yeah. Yo, you be safe out there, man. You know it's Halloween. I know how you get down with them faves. You know I'm bugging. I'm messing with you. Alright, love you too, cuz. Alright, peace. What's up, girls?
Who was that?
That was your cousin Tashea. You remember your cousin Tashea? I never told you about her. That's Uncle James' youngest daughter.
Where is she?
She down in the NC. She been down there for a few years. She was up here a few years ago, though. But she been down there for a while, man. You know, I never tell you a story. Y'all got time? Alright, look. This is how it started. It was a cold, wet Sunday evening. Halloween. October 31st, just like tonight. Tashea's favorite time of year. So my mom and pop, you know, they left. Because they don't really celebrate Halloween. They don't deal with those spirits. And Tashea was left in the house all alone to hand out all the treats. She started to watch a movie and bagged the popcorn to eat. Just as she sat down, ding dong, trick or treat was the sound. One by one, from all around town. Door to door, house to house, traveling down every street, filling up their buckets and sacks with candies and sweet treats. Princesses, ghosts, and witches, as well as your uncle and his best friend, Andor. Till all of a sudden, Tashea had no more.
Well, we have enough candy. Do you want to take some of ours?
Oh, no, that's fine. I'm just going to kick back and watch TV the rest of the night.
Are you sure? Because you know how these kids can get when they don't have the candy.
I'm sure. I know they can be little terrorists.
Okay, well.
You got enough candy and eat it.
And then that's when it both came up. And
Wait. Why did she take the candy?
At first she didn't. She just set them on their way. But good Lord, somebody sent her back up the driveway, gave her the candy, and she took it the second time. She took it.
Happy Halloween to you too. Bye.
That's when
I love your costume. I'm sorry, guys. I'm all out of candy. Like I said before, guys, there is no candy here. You have no luck. I'm sorry. The candy is gone. Hello? Who's there? Hello? Okay, this is not funny.
Hey, what's up?
It's Scrappy. I don't know what to do. I'm getting terrorized by these little girls.
Well, it sounds like to me you got the case of the Fae. I mean, they won't hurt you, you know. From my experience, you just pretty much got to give them what they want, you know, and they'll leave you alone.
Give them what they want. What is that?
What are they asking you for?
Candy. Where do they expect me to get candy from? I'm just an out-of-towner.
You don't have no candy laying around anywhere?
Wait. I got some on the counter. Take this and leave me alone.
At least you could have said thank you.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. That's the story of Tashea and the Fays right there, girls.
Trump's trying to scare us.
What? I'm being serious. Y'all better be careful.
Okay.
Kids.
It's the genius.